Hello guys, today I will show you total 7 colleges requirement for the post of faculty as well as non-teaching staff requirement. Okay, so this video will be little bit longer. Okay, so let's start with that first college, that Bhignana Bharati Institute of Technology. Okay, this is situated in Hyderabad, required the principal as well as faculty, professor, associate professor, assistant professor, professor for the following department: ECE, EEE, CSE, IT, Mechanical, Civil, English, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, MBA, with specialization in finance, specialization in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and cyber security will be preferred for CSE and IT. Qualification and experience and pay scale as per AICTE norms. Interested candidates who are eligible can send their resume to this email on or before 5th July 2021. Eligible candidates will be intimated about interview dates by phones or email. So you have to remember the last date is 5th July 2021. Okay. So now coming to that the second college, that Samsugratti College of Engineering and Technology and College of Pharmacy. So there is two colleges. So this is situated in Telangana. So faculty requirement for engineering as well as pharmacy. So in case of the engineering vacancy, so there will be required professor, associate professor, assistant professor in civil, EEE, EC, CSE, CSE, AI and ML. And also in case CSE, DS, mechanical MBA, and also science, there is some vacancy, that mathematics, chemistry, physics, English. And for the pharmacy, you can see that all that pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacy practice, lab assistant for pharmacy. Okay, so salary and eligibility as per AICTE or PCI norms. Salary is not constraint for deserving candidate. Attractive package will be offered to the candidates with BTech, MTech, PhD from IIT, NIT or government colleges. Okay. Expertise in NBA will be given preference. So interested candidate may send their resume through mail latest by 28 June 2021. So you have to send the resume for, if you want to apply in engineering, you have to send this email, and if you want to apply for pharmacy, you have to send through this email. Okay, so you have to remember the last date is 28 June 2021. Now coming to the third requirement, that Mohabir Group of Institute. So Institute of Science and Technology, AAR Mohabir Engineering College. So this is basically walk-in interview that will be held on 26th June and 27th June. Okay, so candidate as per JNTUH and AICTE norms can apply for the post of principal, professor, associate professor, assistant professor. So in the department of aerospace, civil, CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, mechanical, MBA, HNS, physics, chemistry, maths and English. In case of non-teaching, admin, officer, accountant, programmer, office assistant, system administrator, lab assistant, DTB operator. Okay, so preference will be given to JNTHU ratified faculty. Candidates should send resume along with scanned document to this email before date 25th June 2021. For further details, you have to visit their official website. So you have to remember that today is the last date. Okay, now coming to the next college requirement, that DRK Institute of Science and Technology, College of Engineering and Technology, situated in Hyderabad. This is also walk-in interview from 28th June to 2nd July 2021. So walk-in interview will be held from 28th June 2021 to 2nd July 2021, 10 a.m. onward in the college campus for the position of assistant professor in the department of CSE, ECE, mechanical, civil, EEE, MBA, mathematics, chemistry, physics and English. Qualification and salary as per AICTE norm. This is their official email ID. So for, if you want to contact something, you can mail through this email. Okay. Now coming to next colleges, that Brilliant Group of Technical Institutes. Okay, so in this group there is lots of colleges are available. You can see here total 4 colleges are listed here. Sorry, 3 colleges are listed here. This is also basically walk-in interview that will be held on 26th and 27th June 2020. Time is 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, here the venues is given, that Brilliant Grammar High School, Hyderabad. So for principal, professor, associate professor, assistant professor in civil, mechanical, CSE, ECE, EEE, CSE, AI/ML, data science, software engineering, cyber security, network, pharmacy, okay, MBA, maths, physics, chemistry, environment studies, placement officer, physical director, system administrator, lab assistant, and librarian. Qualification and salary as per AICTE-ROM. So candidates should come with updated resume, originals and photocopies of all certificates along with 2 photos, PAN card, Aadhaar card mandatory. Candidates who are not able to attend the interview may send their resume and scanned copy of certificate to this email ID. Okay, so this is that last date last date means walk-in interview is 26 June to 27 June. So timing is 9:30 to 3 p.m. and they also told about the venue. Okay, now coming to the next requirement, that Avanti group of colleges. Okay, so invite applications for engineering, pharmacy, management and UG, PG colleges principal, director, professors, associate professor, assistant professor. So here you can see that for the teaching engineering, the departments having vacancies EC, CSE, EEE, CE, mechanical, AI/ML, DS, English, physics, mathematics, statistics. Pharmacy, PharmD, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacology. Okay, so in the undergraduate became all accounting, theory papers, tax, computer, GST, Hindi, Telugu and Sanskrit. MBA and MCA all accounting subject. PG, MSc, microbiology, organic. Okay, so a BSc English, computer science. So for the admin and non-teaching, you can see that the chartered account, librarian, placement officer, assistant, retired army navy person, security service. Okay, so interested candidates are requested to send their resume along with copy of certificate and with a passport size photo, Aadhaar, PAN card to this address. So here you can see last date of receiving application is 30 June 2021. So you have to send the resume to the following email ID. So if and you have to remember the last date is 30 June 2021. Okay, so now coming to the next. So this is the last college, that Anna Macharya Institute of Technology and Sciences. So this is situated also in Hyderabad. So faculty requirement 2021, designation professor, associate professor, assistant professor. So discipline CSE, ECE, mechanical, civil, EEE, HNS, physics, maths and chemistry, MBA. Qualification PhD, MTech as applicable in the respective disciplines. Salary as per AICTE norms. Eligible candidate are informed to send their resume to this email ID on or before 30 June 2021. So you have to remember that last date is 30 June 2021. So today I show you total 7 colleges requirement. So I suggest you, if when you see that requirement notice, as soon as send the resume, and if you want to attend the walk-in interview, then prepare yourself as per their requirement. And if you want more notification like that, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.